me all your love, give me all your love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.
Good morning.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to our channel. Then, what do we have here? This is our just a little morning routine. It gets busier when the kids start school tomorrow. So, what are you doing? Don't let me stop you.
Oh, okay. I won't let you stop me, but I have to stop to explain, right? So what I'm doing is making omelets today. We're having bagels and toast, and I'm having smoked salmon with my bagel and cream cheese.
Okay.
And a little bit of strawberries on the side. I'm going to do some to-order omelets for the girls, because Elijah doesn't eat egg, at least not knowingly. So I got some sausages for him, and he'll have a bagel with cream cheese. Some green bell pepper. We have some red onion. This is my smoked salmon for my bagel. Here's some cream cheese. Somewhere in there. There we go. Cream cheese. Also, this is some chopped up sausage for to go inside the omelet. Cheddar cheese. Bagels, both raisin and blueberry. And some whole wheat bread. Healthy. Here's my real butter that I'm going to cook my omelets in. And everybody knows what strawberries look like. Okay, so one green pepper, onion?
Yeah, let them have some.
Okay.
Healthy.
There used to be a program on when I was growing up called Fathers Knows Best. But in this case, Mom knows best. What? Bagel. A little red onion. Turn this up just a little bit because it's not even making any noise. I'm gonna have the sausage.
Won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough.
Grape oil. About a teaspoon.
This is my new dining table. We have a problem. It came broken. Look at that. All the way across. And here, that big old chip. See how broken that is? After they put it together and flip it over, we saw that it was broken. So we're holding on to this until they bring a new one in, which is about 3 weeks. Chairs are going to be changing out. It's not going to be there. I'm taking out those chairs. Look a bit better. This is not looking good. But I like the dining table a lot. I love the legs. It's so cute. And I don't know, I just love it. It's beautiful. Omelette. I missed this part when the egg was going in.
I hate using this.
I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
Hey, those two, right? I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Tell me what you want. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love.
Today is in collaboration with Redmond Home Company, and I just want to say thank you, Redmond Home, for sponsoring today's video. So as you can see, we have a lovely new toaster, so I'm pretty excited to use it. So this one is the 4-slice retro classic stainless steel bread toaster and also bagel. So I chose this one with a 4-slot because, you know, it's easier on us because we're a big family, and instead of toasting 2 toasts or 2 bagel, you get to toast 4. Isn't that good?
That is excellent.
And that is acting like a good salesman. Let's have bagel defrost cancel function. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby for breakfast today.
Won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you.
First, it comes with the manual explaining how to use it, how to be safe with it, stuff like that.
Wow. So I chose the white because in colors they do have green, red, white, and this nice tan color, and I'm loving this one. This one is so cute.
It looks really nice.
So we're just going to take it over here and tell you a bit more about it.
All that we have is each other now.
looking toaster. It has a defrost button, which is great. It has just a special button just for the bagels only, if that's what you're doing. And today we're doing bagels only. 1650 watt, high powered, and 360 degree baking mode will toast on both sides evenly and get hot very fast, which is absolutely great. Bagels, but I just want to show you. This is the toaster we've been using, okay? And this is the Redmond toaster.
Oh my God. Horrible, Don.
So let's get our bagels in here. So I'm gonna put this on about a 3, just to see how it goes. 3, and I'm gonna put this one on 3 as well. So I'm gonna push the bagel setting, because that's what we're doing, bagels. Push that down like that. Hit the bagel. One good thing about this, it has a 1.5-inch extra wide slots. The Redmond 4 slice toaster comes with food grade 18/8 stainless steel body. Basic toasting features. There's 3 basic functions with bagels: defrost and cancel. Solid high lift level. It just went off.
Closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now.
Another thing I like about this is that it has the cleaning trays in the back, and they slide out so easily. Cleaning trays to catch the crumbs as you toast your breads.
I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love.
So if you can't leave it plugged in, they have an easy little wraparound thing here, so you can easily store it away.
Give me love, give me all your love. Oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each all your love, give me all your love. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me. Yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Hey, did you?
No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me